Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents dinner rolls or Ladi Pav. Take 3/4 cup lukewarm milk. Add 2 teaspoons sugar. Give it a stir. Add 2½ teaspoon instant dried yeast. Combine well. Wrap with cling film. Set aside for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. If yeast is not blooming or frothy, so do not use that, which means your yeast is expired. Yeast activates. Keep aside. In a mixing bowl, take 3 cups all-purpose flour. Two tablespoons milk powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Salt to taste. Make a well in the center. Crack 1 egg. Pour activated yeast mixture. Mix it with spatula until it forms a shaggy dough. Bring everything together. Now knead the dough. As required, add lukewarm milk to knead the dough. Again pour milk. Add milk into the batches. The dough will turn sticky. That's okay. This is how it's going to be. Grease wooden board with oil. Brush the oil on the whole surface. It will help to handle the dough easily. Add 2 tablespoons room temperature butter. Spread well. It takes time. Keep kneading and it will slightly sticky. Bring it together. Take out the dough on the greased board. We are doing stretch and fold method. So stretch and fold the dough. Knead the dough as shown. Smack the dough and take off all your aggression on it. Take the scraper to handle it easily. Tuck the dough. Knead soft dough. Make sure to get the window pane consistency like this. Knead well for 5 minutes. Tuck the dough. It comes together in a dough shape. Pour some oil in a mixing bowl. Brush your bowl with oil. Transfer the dough into a greased bowl. Grease the dough with oil. Make sure to cover with cling film. If you don't cover, it's gonna dry out. Dough is ready to go for first proofing. Take air fryer basket. Remove the crisper plate from the basket. Place the bowl inside the basket. Let the proofing. Kasori Turbo Glaze has a proof function, so you can proof the dough in the air fryer. Turn on the air fryer. Press the proof function, then start. 30 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. If you don't have this function, so let it sit on the kitchen countertop until dough rises or doubles up, which takes 60 to 90 minutes, depending on how warm your kitchen is. Let's see if it's doubled up or not. Remove the basket. Dough has doubled up in size. Remove the dough from the basket. Puncture the dough. Remove the dough on the work surface. Again, knead well for 5 minutes. So stretch and pull the dough. Make sure to get the window pane consistency, which means your fingers visible from the dough like this. Punch it well. Shape it into a big round ball. Flatten it. Weigh the total volume of dough and divide into equal parts. Divide the dough into 9 to 12 equal portions. Smack the dough. Gather all of the corners up together and tuck the edges towards the middle. Do the same for all. Smack the dough. Gather the corners and pinch them in the middle. Make a C with your palm, and go like circular motion really fast. Tuck and make balls. Continue dough this with all the remaining. Perfect smooth small balls sized dough. Shape it into a ball. You can eyeball this or use digital scales to make sure each roll is the same size. Each piece is approximately 67 to 69 grams. Now I mist the basket with cooking spray. Place the rolls in the greased basket. Put them spaced slightly apart or close to each other. I divided in 12 small-sized dinner rolls, but you can make 9 bigger rolls. We're going to cover them again with cling film to avoid getting dry. Again, second rise proof takes 45 minutes approximately. Keep aside for 45 minutes until doubled, puffy, and dough touching each other. That could be an indicator to identify whether they're ready to bake. In a jug, crack the egg. Add some milk. Beat well. Take air fryer basket. Egg wash the dinner rolls. Brush top with egg wash to get them nice deep golden color. There is no need to preheat the air fryer. We're going to pop them in. Turn on the air fryer. Hit the bake function. Drop the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Drop the time to 15 minutes. Baking time may vary depending on the type and size of the air fryer. You can also bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. You can see what they look like. I recommend check halfway through and inspecting them. Pop them again for the remaining minutes. Ladi Pav or dinner rolls are done. Look how beautifully baked. While it's hot, it will harden the top. I'll teach you how to turn soft. Remove the basket. Rub the butter all over the top. Shiny beautiful Ladi Pav. Run a spatula to separate the sides. When they're still hot, take the crisper plate, put it upside down right on top, and then flip it over again. No worries, the bread gets browned only on top and its bottom may look paler, since the heating element of a regular air fryer is only on top, but it's baked through. You can flip them over and air fry for a couple of minutes to brown them if you want. Take the plate and flip back again. Now slide them right onto the crisper tray. If you let in the basket, the bottom will become soggy. Top might feel hard, so cover with damp cloth and let it sit for 15 minutes. It will help to make Ladi Pav softer. After 15 minutes they became softer. Who doesn't like freshly baked pillowy soft dinner rolls? Look at this beautiful Ladi Pav. This turned out fantastic. Super soft Ladi Pav or dinner rolls are ready. These delicious dinner rolls are light, fluffy, buttery, and absolutely delicious. Keep in mind that air fryers are all a bit different. A trial and error approach is necessary until you figure out what works best for your model. Let me show you how fluffy and beautifully they are baked from inside. Let me show you another one. Baked beautifully. Soft fluffy airy Ladi Pav is ready to enjoy. Do give it a try and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. When you can open the air fryer basket to check on your rolls, and if they are browning too much, drop the temperature by a few degrees. You can have it with Pav Bhaji. Dish out the Pav Bhaji. Pour Pav Bhaji in a plate. Put butter on hot Pav Bhaji. Put onion and squeeze some lemon on it. Baking in an air fryer is my new obsession. My oven is feeling seriously neglected right now. Give this try with every tip and trick and you'll achieve the result. Pav Bhaji recipe is uploaded on my channel. I'll share the link in I button. Or you can sandwich the vada between Pav and have it. Vada Pav recipe is also uploaded on my channel, check out that too. I guarantee that once you make these air fryer rolls, you'll amaze by the results. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.